Hey guys, welcome back to my channel for another unboxing. Today I have the Proscenic M7 Pro Auto Empty Dustbin I'm going to be unboxing today. The robot itself will be here soon, but I wanted to go over this and compare it to the i7 and S9 clean base. So let's go ahead and open it up here and see what we have inside. So as we get it out of the box here, I just want to show you a little bit about the box. It's very basic. It just kind of shows you the dustbin itself, and then on the sides it just shows you a little bit about the FCC compliance and all the certifications it has. And then on the other side it has the dustbin again, and on the other side it just shows you the power that it can use. Alright, enough about the box. Let's go ahead and open it up and see what's inside. So as you first open the box here, you have your quick start guide and user manual. We'll just go ahead and set that aside for now. And we'll take out this box here. And here it is, the dustbin itself. We'll go ahead and get this out of the box here so we can show you a little bit more about the dustbin itself. As you can see, there's nothing else in the box, so we'll go ahead and set that box aside and we'll bring in the dustbin. Now the fun part of removing the protective covering. As you can see, it was quite a challenge for me to get this out of the protective covering, so as soon as we get this out here, I'll show you what the dustbin is all about. Here is the full view of the auto empty bin. We'll go ahead and take a look at the bag itself. One thing you'll notice as I struggle to get it out of the container here is you'll notice how similar it is to the iRobot dirt disposal bags. It is kind of made of cheap cardboard, but let's hope it keeps all the continents in the bag. As you can see, it looks very similar to iRobot's design, but that's okay. We'll go ahead and set it aside for now and I'll show you the inside. So here you have the fan motor itself. That's about it for the inside of the dirt disposal bin, so we'll go ahead and insert this bag back in. It's very easy to do, you just slide it in. One nice feature is they do include 2 extra dirt disposal bags for the bin itself, which is very nice. I haven't checked what the price is on them from their website, but I'll take a look for you guys and I will update you in the robot unboxing video. As you can see here, we have the dustbin collector port. It looks a little bit smaller than the i7 and S9's collection port, so I'm a little concerned if it'll be able to handle larger debris. But of course, we'll be able to test all that for you guys. And one more thing is the power cord here. It's connected to the base, so there's no plugging it in to the back. So there you have it. That is the quick overview of the Proscenic Auto Empty Dustbin. Stay tuned for part 2 where I will unbox the M7 Pro robot vacuum. I will leave a link in the description where you can purchase the M7 Pro and the Auto Empty Dustbin. One thing to note is the dustbin is not included with the purchase of the M7 Pro robot. It is a separate purchase of $100. Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to like the video and subscribe for more videos. We'll see you guys next time. Yeah.